Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Here you find that for figure 1, we can solve in this way. For figure 1 you see here, for figure 1, here you see it is given that L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M and T is the transversal and T is the transversal. T is the transversal. Right? Now here you see that this angle is 110 degree, right? If you find the value of this angle, these are vertical opposite angle, right? This angle, right? That this angle will also be same as 110 degree, or you can say this angle, right? Since this is 110 degree, this angle will also be 110 degree. Let us find this angle. We cannot give the name, but you can write the name also. Here, suppose we can show this angle. This angle will also be 110 degree, right? Why? Because these are alternate angles, right? These are alternate angles, right? That means this is 110 degree, and here you see this 110 degree plus x, right? These are angles on a straight line. Therefore, you can say that x, you can say that x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this x and 110 degree are angles on a straight line M. Straight line angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Right? That is x plus 110 degree is equal to 180. Here you see this 110 is equal to 110 degree. Why? Because this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Right? Now x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 110 degree minus 110 degree. 180 degree minus 110 degree. If we subtract it, 180 degree minus 110 degree, subtract it, that is 0, and this is 70, right? Therefore x is equal to 70 degree. Therefore x is equal to 70 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 70 degree, right? This is for figure 1. Again we are explaining. Here you see L and M are parallel and let T be the transversal. Here this is given as 110 degree. Therefore this angle will be equal to this angle because they are corresponding angles, right? Now this 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree because these are angles on a straight line. Therefore you can say that x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is 70 degree. Now this is for figure 1. If we explain the figure 2, here you see, you have to find the value of x, right? L and M are parallel. L, that is L parallel to M. L parallel to M. L parallel to M. And let A be the transversal. Be the transversal. Be the transversal. Be the transversal. right? Here you see L and M are parallel and A is a transversal, right? Here you see that this angle, that is this angle and this angle are same because they are corresponding angles. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to, therefore we can say that x is equal to x is equal to 100 degree, 100 degree. Why? Because this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. Here you see L and M are parallel to each other, and if A is a transversal, we can say that x is equal to 100 degree because x and this angle are corresponding angles. These are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Right? Therefore, here you see that L parallel to M is a transversal. Therefore, we can say that x is equal to 100 degree because these are corresponding angles. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.